Habol. Habol ka, habol.
Yung night, ito niyan, meron tayong mga balloons nandiyan sa inyong harapan.
Habol mo si Ate Gab.
Center stage. And,
Ay, kalapag na.
May apoy.
Gab. Angit.
Alright, ina-light up yun, and then you can have a selfie over our balloons. Okay?
We have for that.
For the night, we have 15 balloons.
So watch out for the 15 balloons that we'll be lighting up later on. Para sa ating
Higa. O, higa ka. Higa.
Others now their cameras with them. Yeah, you might want to take pictures. And this is going to be very exciting. So please stay until the end of the night para naman makitin yung mga activities natin. That will be held just for the first day of the 4th celebration po dito sa Libao ng International Balloon Festival.
And for those who came in for the very first time,
Higaya ka na, higaya rin ka.
ating pong Balloon Festival ay ginawa po ng iba't ibang mga piloto na nagaling pa sa iba't ibang bansa. So hindi po ito basta-basta. Ito po ay International Balloon Festival.
And I believe we have 46
Higa.
participating balloons all over the world. And nakikita po natin until Sunday. So sana na only for the day of the year. But we can join us from the Sunday again is going to be 14 years in a row. Para sa ating lahat po yan.
Everywhere in the world, very happy to have these giant lantern exhibition. And we have 4 giant lanterns.